All right, today we're going to be testing out this new Lucasi Custom, called Lucasi Custom, but it's their new jump brake cue. I believe the retail price is around $98 for it, and I forgot exactly what I paid for it. So again, line up your aim. Try to bring your chin above the cue. I have to say, that's one of the keys. Keep that stroke consistent. Once you get lined up, start stroking that cue. So, again, line up. I step into it. I come over, bring my chin above the cue, and strike down through the core of the cue ball. Now, normally I use my McDermott jump brake cue, and then obviously that breaks down, so I can use it as a jump cue. Has a pretty good tip on it, but I have to say, I believe it's with the taper of this particular shaft, and again, let me show you real quick. It breaks down, so this could go in the front part of your bag, and the shaft could go right inside with the other shafts in your cue case. So again, here we are. I'll line up my shot. I'm going to step into it. Going to arch up. My stroke keeps going. Now remember, there's a key factor a lot of people don't bring out. See the way I'm stroking? I haven't stopped, and I'll continue through the whole process. That's the key that a lot of people will not tell you about. They'll just tell you, oh, get over the ball, get over the cue ball, strike at a 30 or 40 degree angle, and strike through the center of the ball. That's simple enough, but try it. It's not as easy as it sounds. So again, I'm lefty, so I have my lead foot forward, which would be my right foot. Most people are righties, and their lead would be their left foot. Keep that stroke going. Step into it. Keep your eye on the cue ball. All right, so the key, at least one of the key factors I believe is the consistency of keeping this stroke going throughout the shot. This way you don't have any delay. I should say more, there's not a hesitation. A lot of people get above the ball and they just sit there and they're not sure what to do, when to hit it. They're questioning themselves, second guessing themselves, and they're not going to make the shot. So I believe, and like I said, I had someone tell me, somewhat of a mentor years ago, tell me exactly what he felt his secret was, or his key factor was. And it could vary from person to person, but I have to agree with him. Keeping this stroke consistent, stepping in, I never stop with the stroke. And then execute. Practice that, and you will get it. I mean, on average, you'll probably wind up 7 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times. I mean, we all strive for perfection. We want 10 out of 10. But jumping, once you get it, you're going to be amazed at how easy it feels. Not how easy it is, how easy it feels. Then you're going to have to learn accuracy when you're jumping. That becomes very difficult. You could jump the ball and put a drawer on it. You could jump the ball, put a follow on it, a stunt shot. But again, I have to say this Lucasi cue, specifically a jump cue, it's very, very impressive. I'm definitely going to put this in my bag, and this is going to be my everyday jump cue. Extremely comfortable. You won't be disappointed for the price, under 100 bucks. You can't beat it. Definitely a game saver for me. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you real soon. If you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Please, I'd love to hear any comments. And again, hit that subscribe button and share. there's anything you'd like for me to do reviews on or practice drills, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.